Forget every single thing you know about fast motorcycles. Throw your modern electronic rider aids directly into the garbage bin. What you are looking at right now is a rolling death machine designed to terrify the most experienced riders on Earth. This is the all-new, hand-built Veloce Aperion. It is an absolute middle finger to the modern automotive industry, packing a mind-numbing, 8-cylinder, 1,000 cubic centimeter two-stroke engine. It pumps out an earth-shattering 280 horsepower while weighing a mere 160 kilograms. That is more raw power than a factory MotoGP racing prototype, built for the public street. While big manufacturers force quiet, boring electric motors down your throat, a small boutique engineering firm in Oxfordshire, England went completely rogue. They spent years secretly developing an engine layout the world has never seen before. They call it the X8 configuration. Imagine two separate high-performance V4 crankcase assemblies merged together around a central transmission housing to form a perfect X shape. This mechanical masterpiece utilizes 8 highly specialized cylinders derived from the legendary Aprilia RS 125 Sportbike. Because the diagonally opposed pistons fire at the exact same fraction of a second, the internal forces completely cancel each other out, giving you a smooth delivery without a traditional heavy counterbalancer. The intake system is an absolute work of art. There are no computer chips, fuel injectors, or ride-by-wire throttles managing this mechanical beast. Instead, you get 4 pairs of 24mm Dellorto carburetors actuated by a hyper-complex, 8-cable spiral throttle twist grip mechanism. It runs on a pure, old-school premix of high-octane racing gasoline and premium castor oil, filling the air with a deafening mechanical scream and beautiful blue smoke. Packaging 8 massive 2-stroke cylinders into a tight motorcycle chassis is usually a physical impossibility due to the giant expansion chambers required for exhaust scavenging. Veloce solved this legendary engineering hurdle by utilizing state-of-the-art additive manufacturing. They 3-dimensionally printed the entire laser-sintered, alloy resonance exhaust system, snaking it beautifully underneath the machine to keep the profile razor-thin. Weight reduction is taken to an absolute extreme. The massive aluminum engine block actually doubles as a stressed member of the chassis, entirely eliminating the need for a heavy conventional frame structure. Up front, it utilizes premium, fully adjustable inverted telescopic forks, while the rear features a highly bespoke underslung Pullrod monoshock suspension connected to a beautiful single-sided aluminum swingarm. This brings us to the ultimate question. Can you actually buy one? The short answer is yes or no.